Welcome to day 8. We are down to the final 2 panels remaining to strip of the original paint and probably bodywork and filler for the 1978 Datsun 280Z project that we've been working on. We're stripping everything down to bare metal because there's lots of surprises and things that aren't readily seen on top. So we're down to the last 2 panels. Thanks for joining me. Day 8, let's go, let's get busy. Alright, well that's got day 8 in the bag of paint and body work, and that's the last of the big panels. Today we got both front fenders stripped, both inspection lids stripped, the gas door stripped, both headlight buckets stripped, both bumper fillers stripped. So that concludes all the paint stripping there is to do. The majority of that is complete. Obviously we still have a little bit of scuffing up to do on some other parts. The front valence, I got 2 new quarters on the front valence area. Those still have the EDM coating on them, so I'm not going to strip those down to bare metal. I actually found those new old stock, so that was a good find. And we're just going to scuff those up, and they'll be ready for epoxy primer on top of that. I think I'm going to go ahead and try to find a new center valence for the front. as the one I have has some damage to it and it's not really that repairable. While I'm looking for that, I'm going to look for a new driver's door or a new door skin. I know the door skins are about $400 and the new doors are about $800 these days, so That's pretty depressing because when I got into Z's, it was much cheaper to buy those kind of parts. And they were readily available. So now that these things are getting a little bit more desirable, people jack up the prices to parts that they think are worth more than they're worth and should be in better condition for what they're charging. But that's the nature of the beast. I'm happy to see the Datsun's getting some love in the general marketplace, being that the prices are going up. So it's no longer a poor man's Porsche. It will actually make you poor if you decide to buy one and build one. So that's kind of good for people like me because I like building stuff. So all the paint stripped. Day 8 is in the bag. Tomorrow we're going to pick a panel or two and we're going to start going over the details, all the little intricate nooks and crannies that we couldn't get with the actual angle grinder and paint stripping disc. We're going to start breaking out some different wire wheels and things like that and get into all the little nooks and crannies all around and just go over them once more. We're going to see how many panels we can do that with tomorrow on day 9. So I appreciate you guys following along for this just over first week of Paint and Body Work to the 280Z. If you want to know what's coming tomorrow, you got to click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified just as soon as I get around to posting another video. I appreciate it as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.